Welcome to my channel.
ASUS TUF Gaming Wi-Fi 6, TUF AX6000, full setup. Unbox and connect everything. Start by plugging in the power adapter and connecting your internet modem to the router's WAN port using the LAN cable. Once connected, turn on the router and wait for the LED lights to become stable. Install the ASUS Router app. Go to the Play Store or App Store and download the ASUS Router app. This app makes the setup quick, easy, and fully guided. Connect your phone to the router Wi-Fi. On the bottom of the router, you'll find the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Use these to connect your smartphone to the router's Wi-Fi network. Choose your internet connection type. When the app opens, it will ask for your connection type. Most Indian internet providers use PPPo, so enter the username and password given by your ISP. If your ISP uses dynamic IP, simply continue without entering details. Set a new Wi-Fi name and password. Create your own Wi-Fi name for both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. For convenience, you can keep the same SSID for both bands. Choose a strong, secure password to protect your network. Create an admin password. This password is used to log into the router's control panel. Make it different from your Wi-Fi password to keep your network more secure. Update the router firmware. In the ASUS app, go to Firmware Update and check for the latest version. Updating ensures better speed, stability, and security. Enable eye protection, optional but recommended. ASUS Eye Protection provides extra layers of security. Turning it on helps block threats and keeps your connected devices safe. Turn on gaming mode. This router is built for gaming, so enable mobile game mode or gaming port for lower ping, smoother performance, and stable gameplay. Adjust COS and bandwidth settings. Use the adaptive COS feature and select the gaming profile to prioritize gaming devices. This helps keep your speed stable even when multiple users are connected. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.